What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's like 10:30 in the morning. Been up since about 8:30-ish. I was supposed to be up a lot earlier, but yesterday I was working, and me and my buddy Chris, which you guys see him in some of my shorts when we're doing construction days, we were working at some lady's house, and we were in the crawl space, which I've never been in. Sorry, guys. I need to get a mount or something. But anyway, I've never been in a crawl space, and I've never seen one that was so small. I guess the only one I've ever really seen is my aunt's and my mom's, which, fuck. Those are like big. Actually, my aunt's was like a cellar, to be honest with you. That was, man, I wish we still had that house in the family. But anyway, so we were in a cellar, and I was just tired. Like, that is not my speed. I know some people is built for certain things. I am not built for that type of work. I'm gonna be honest with you. I can do it. Say like push came to shove and it was an emergency situation and I needed to go in a crawl space, but like just to willingly do that shit, no. At least not the one like that. Like I said, if it's a bigger one, to where, because we was literally bear crawling. Like my abs is on point right now, which granted, you can't see them through all this fat, but they there. If I tuck my belly in, you're gonna see some formation. They never really go anywhere, to be honest with you. From the first time I lost weight, I still can see form of like a good body. But anywho, yeah, so we did that yesterday. My body is like super sore. And now we're probably gonna do some more work today. I have to work with him, and then I need to go finish some work for my aunt, which she has. Well, this is all digital work for her. She just needs a video edited for class because she's in school and she's about to graduate with a teaching degree. So like, kudos to her. Any way I can support with that, I don't know, I like that type of stuff, like never giving up, or just always learning and trying to become something better or something more. I really appreciate that within people, and especially with family, because it's like you never really stop growing. And well, no, you can stop growing. It's just, are you letting yourself grow? Are you choosing to grow, or are you choosing to stay the same? And I love that she's not doing that. So, and it's never too late to do something like that. I remember, I think, what was it? I think I was in junior high. Like, it was 6th grade for me, and I think I was 6th grade, and my mom graduated with her bachelor's degree, and I'm the youngest of 4. So she went back to school when she had all of us in school. I think, well, my oldest brother, I think he already had graduated from college, so she already helped put him through. But then my second oldest brother was probably heading off to junior college, and me and my other brother were just, you know, still going through regular schooling. But I don't know, I like that type of shit. And she needs this video edited, so I'm gonna edit that video today and get that back to her through Google Drive, I guess, and try to add my own little spin to it. But anyway, I'm pulling up to my buddy's house right now, so I'm gonna get back with you guys. I think he's actually behind me. This is Mac. He does not like me. Hey, what's up? What up? For you guys that didn't know, this is Chris. He did not give consent today, but whatever. Just trying to explain to my vlog who you actually are, but
oh, and my mean dog.
Yeah, I did say he doesn't like me. But
Come on, go inside. No. See, he looks so sad. He doesn't want to go inside.
He's like, "No, I want to stay out. I want to stay out."
No.
Come on, buddy. But catch him on film and sue Chris. Alright guys, welcome back. We are done working for the day. We're about to go over to another buddy's house because him and his dad are working on the siding of their detached garage. So me and Chris are going to follow each other over there. Well, I'm gonna follow him actually. I don't really need to, but he needs to have a better parking spot than I do, and there's not really good parking at his house, unless you park out back. But just want to make sure he can get the stuff out that he needs to get out. But anyway, I guess I could film over there and show you guys some of that. I'm just sitting here kind of waiting for Chris to take off. But
oh, okay, so it's got pins in there that. There's one of them. And then you got a safety pin. Oh. Yeah.
only too bad you ain't had no smoke. That'd have been a good transition.
Yeah.
So is this?
That would have been a big drag.
Right. You've been coughing.
Actually, that's probably where this one came from.
The next pane of the video would be me just laying on the ground.
Man.
I need to go to the hospital.
Exactly.
Now, where's
You guys got started already though? Is that the new siding right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I got in a hurry.
Yeah, you have like 30 minutes left before sunset.
Oh, are you just doing this front face here?
We already did the side's been done for years.
Oh, okay.
Just east and west side.
Oh.
Yeah. I haven't started the other end.
Oh, okay. Well.
Just this end. And I can. Up, low, up.
We need to see this.
So you didn't wash any cars today?
You need what?
No, I'm doing
Okay, which way you need there?
Down.
2 work trucks on Sunday.
Let me pull this back a little bit.
Here?
Yeah, second board down.
Is that the guy who cut the trees down?
Okay, so you need to go down a
I'm gonna
little
hold
more.
this
Yeah, I got you.
Right? Right about somewhere in there. Hold
Yeah,
on.
I can do it. That's a lot easier.
All right. There.
Well, anyway, it's nothing to show here. And I need to get a mic because my audio's been trash.
Does it not have a?
Well, it has a mic on it, but like, it's not good. Anybody you,
Extra mic you can buy.
yeah, anybody that you watch on YouTube that's good quality, they got a mic, no matter what it is. But I saw one, it's like $50 for this.
Some of the ones I've seen that you can buy off GoPro are really good.
Yeah, I don't know if they're good though. I'd rather go with Rode. I might be being a brand snob, but I don't know nothing about it. But it seems like Rode is always the ones people have. RODE. That's the, if you see somebody with a camera and it's got a mic on it, most of the time it's Rode. And they'll say it on there. It's usually in like a,
Puffy ones.
yeah, well no, it's not. It's kind of a tube, kind of. But that too, you talking about like that little furry looking things, yeah. That's the one mine's gonna come with, because it's like a micro one, but.
Huh, and then those things. These things lock it down?
Yep.
Alright guys, I'll get back with you when I'm starting to cook dinner tonight. Alright guys, I'm back at the house. I'm actually cooking dinner right now. I'm actually going to invest in a mic here soon. It's like 50 to 60 bucks. You guys might have heard me and my friend talking about it in the last clip. We're having pork chops, salad, and potatoes for dinner. About to put these in the oven right now. I usually cook those for 15 minutes on 400 and then I will flip them, or stir them, flip them, whatever. And then cook them until they're nice and like kind of charred on the bottom. I like a little burntness on my potatoes. I like all potatoes, but when I'm roasting them, I want a little bit of like a blackened look. Kind of like if you did it in a skillet with some bacon grease or something like that. But, so yeah, that's gonna take, well, 15 minutes until I stir them, and then it could take anywhere from 20. It just depends on how thick you cut them. And I guess how high you have the oven. This is on 400, so typically I would say 15 minutes, flip them, and then maybe another 15 minutes or 20, just depending on how thick you cut the pieces. But yeah, I'm about to get started on the pork chops. That's going to be the most time consuming. I was going to smoke them, but it's getting dark early now, and there's not like, this house doesn't have like a good area for cooking at night. Like, it'd be nice to add on. There's like big picture windows right here. Or not picture windows, but like double pane, almost floor to ceiling windows. To put like a sliding door right there and build a porch that's actually looks like it's inset into the house. So like adding on with a roof and everything. But enough room to have a TV, a heater, a fan, maybe a fireplace, but mainly room enough like away from the house to cook on a smoker or have a built-in like propane grill, which that's not really necessary, but it'd be nice. Usually sear them on like a medium high and then do like 10 minutes, or not 10 minutes, 4 minutes each side, just depending how thick they are. There's one of them that's really thick in this package, but we're gonna go ahead and get that started here soon. I totally forgot to start this when I put it in there, but yeah, it's already going.
He used to snap me like 20% instantly, right? And he knows some shit. Yeah, that's dead. You know, plan something. And then was it the day of? No, it wasn't even the day of. Like, you plan something like a week before. Well, we didn't know she was there. No, or like, what, like, those.
Yo, half the time I'm recording, I don't even realize that I am, or I forget that I am recording, and it just goes for minutes and minutes and minutes. But yeah, so dinner's done. Yeah, we're about to eat. So what's up, guys? I don't know if you guys can see me, but it is Sunday night now. I don't think I even filmed earlier today. I took my mom to go get a new phone. She got the new 15 Pro Max or something like that. An iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm not an iPhone person, but she got that. She was forced into it because our phone is like glitching and turning green and stuff, and we both have the same phone. And they're both kind of acting up at different times, but we got our phones at the same time when we got these, which was like 5 years ago. This is the S9 Plus, which some of you guys can probably tell, but yeah, it's the S9 Plus, and yeah, it's just a piece of shit now. But it's not even a piece of shit, it's just, you know, times and app updates and shit like that just kind of makes things a little different. But I'm gonna go pick up some Chinese right now. I got my food. That's a good transaction that time. So all I get here is black pepper chicken with the fried rice, which is not like a bunch of fried rice, just like the quart, or maybe it's less than that. I'm not too sure. With their chicken wings, they have some good fried chicken wings, and they got a good taste. Not too seasoned, not too over seasoned at all, but a nice little crunch. Very good value for what you're spending, I guess. But anyway, I'm actually getting a moped today, which is quite interesting. My buddy picked it up. I don't know if you guys saw it in my video where we built a garage room in a garage, if that makes sense. But that had a moped in the picture or the video, and I'll pop a picture up right here. Actually, I might not even show. I might just wait. Yeah, I might just wait, to be honest with you. Yeah, anyway, guys, I'm gonna get back with you once I get home and get everything settled. You can't even see it, but I had to get a video of the delivery. You can't see shit though.
Yeah, just a bunch of flashes.
Yeah.